Alright, this is an interesting job, so I thought I'll make a video. I'm not sure if it's going to be worth publishing or not. So we turn this computer on. And Toshiba logo, and then reboot. Toshiba logo, reboot. Okay, let's go into BIOS and have a look what's going on. Now this job data is important, but the previous guy who took it to another friend, they formatted the drive, so it has an SSD. I have little doubt for data to be in there, but we may have some backups we can maybe go through there. So right now, yeah, it is an entry level crappy CPU, 4 gig, okay. SSD is the only savior. Let's have a look at the SATA performance setting. Okay. Nope. Check. I thought maybe this guy, compatibility F10, like IDE and AHCI mode. Sometimes that can have a difference if it's changed. Same thing. Okay, let's go back to BIOS. Okay, I've got a Macrium here. Maybe before Macrium, let's try Windows 10 USB 20H2. Okay, let's boot off the USB. So we're doing this all live, so let's see how we go. That's a weird behavior. Okay. Could be this keyboard is fucked. Okay. Let's see if it will boot into Windows or the USB automatically. There we go. I think it's booting into the USB. Yeah, okay. So that's actually booting into the USB. Okay. That's fine. So in this case, it may boot to the internal SSD. Fine. Let's try again. No, okay. That's fucked. Okay. So something's not right internally. Let's boot from the USB. We're using an external keyboard. F12. Boot manager. We're just gonna wait and see what happens. I can see the USB light flashing, so it's probably loading. There we go. And I want to see if the files are there. If they are, then we can attempt to repair the boot sector, file system, etc. and get it up and going. I don't want to show any personal files, so have a look what's in here. Far out. I can see their data, but yes, it does look like, unfortunately. Yeah, I can't believe it. They have wiped the drive out. Okay, so we have a Windows installation there, that's for sure. But I'm not sure what version of Windows. So anyway, let's boot into Macrium. Let's see what we can do on the Macrium. See if we can do a boot repair. Shut the computer down. Okay, Windows 7 Home Premium, okay. That's where it should boot from. Okay, go for it, do your magic. Okay, hopefully it will boot now into Windows. Okay, let's see. Want to do a file system check. In these crucial times, we don't allow that. Too risky. Oh, bummer, it's already doing it, okay. It didn't listen to the USB keyboard. Great, we're now booting into Windows. File system error again, this time on the hidden volume. That's okay, let it repair that. We're in. Jesus. He wasn't joking, they actually wiped the drive out. What a wanker. It's okay. Yeah. I cannot believe it. Why? Why would you do that to anybody? Okay. Oh, and they put 32-bit Windows. Okay, yeah, that's even more shitty now. Okay. Who puts 32-bit Windows? Okay. Maybe they didn't delete the data. Alright. So this video is about this. There's a keyboard issue and the computer wasn't booting, and fix that issue. Yeah, hopefully this will help you. I'll get back to my more important work. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.